Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the best method to send your survey using Surveymonkey so you can reach your audience effectively and gather meaningful responses. Once your survey is ready, distributing it properly is key to getting the insights you need. First, head over to the Collect Responses tab in your Surveymonkey dashboard. Here, you'll find multiple ways to send your survey depending on your audience and how you want them to participate. The most flexible method is using a web link. This option is perfect if you want to share your survey on social media, blogs, forums, or even via SMS. With this link, anyone can click and participate, making it an ideal choice for broad reach and easy access. Next, there's the email invitation option. This works best if you have a specific list of recipients, like customers, employees, or subscribers. Surveymonkey will send the invitations for you and track who responds, helping you manage follow-ups efficiently. If you want to collect feedback directly from your website, the website embed option is excellent. You can embed your survey as a pop-up or iframe using HTML code, which integrates seamlessly with your website layout. This is great for gathering user feedback or running quick polls. For reaching audiences through social media, share your survey link across platforms like Facebook, X, or LinkedIn. This method engages followers and attracts new participants. You can also use the Surveymonkey audience option to purchase targeted responses. This ensures your survey reaches a panel of qualified respondents, ideal for market research or collecting insights from specific demographics. Another handy option is the QR code. Surveymonkey can generate a QR code linking directly to your survey, which is perfect for posters, flyers, or product packaging, allowing participants to engage instantly using their smartphones. Here are a couple of pro tips. Consider using multiple collectors for the same survey. This way, you can reach different audiences simultaneously and compare results across distribution channels. Also, before launching your survey, check each collector's settings like anonymity, multiple responses, and other preferences to ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to choose the best method to send your survey using Surveymonkey. By following these steps, you can maximize engagement and collect accurate, useful feedback from your audience. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Surveymonkey tutorials and tips.